Now, why do people love Java? Despite you have Python, despite you have Kotlin, despite you have C Sharp, C++, why do people love Java? Have you guys probably heard of thing about Java that you write it once and you run it everywhere? Okay, so that is just something with Java. You write it once, you run it everywhere. What does this actually mean? It's very, very easy. It means that once you've written a Java program or a Java code on a given operating system, you have different operating system, be it Linux, you have a Mac, you have your Windows operating system. It's such that once you've written it either in Windows, you can eventually now go ahead to run that same program in your Mac operating system or in your Linux operating system, right? So that's why programmers actually love Java, because most times for some other programming languages, the way you write your program, when you want to eventually run it on a Mac, okay, supposing you develop the program on a Windows and you eventually want to run it on a Mac, you notice that you have to rewrite the program all over. But that is not the case with Java, right? So that's why people love Java. So one reason people love Java is that the Java virtual machine, which ensures the same Java code can be run on different operating systems and platforms. Okay, so this means when you write a Java code in Mac operating system, you can run it in Linux or Windows. So we've answered the question, why do people love Java? So Java remains one of the top 5 programming languages and has maintained this top spot for years. All right. So some websites or some sources will tell you it's among the top 10, top 5, but wherever you go, if you know how to write or if you know how to write programs with Java, you'll be in high demand, you'll be respected. Okay. It's not one of those other languages that fades out. Okay, if you can go ahead to make your research, you have some other programming languages like Fortran. Fortran, you have COBOL. Okay, COBOL is spelled COBOL. You have things like BASIC. BASIC, these ones I've just mentioned to you actually used for educational purposes. Okay, so we made mention of Java being one of the top programming languages out there. Then there's a little activity for you. All right, so I like activity because it helps us to also participate in the class. So it's actually very easy. What you just need to do is to just use your internet and check out top 10 programming languages out there. Is that right? Top 10 programming languages out there. So just check it out, just put it down as a note, and let me know, will you want me to grant you access to these slides? Okay, because for each of the classes, I will be working with slides and we'll actually be working with the softwares for the programming. Okay, if you want me to give you access to these slides, just let me know and I will do that. Do you have any question? Let me know. We just got started.
So I have a question.
Okay, please.
You say Java, people when you code something for Windows on Java,
Yeah.
And you can use the same program to run on Mac OS or Linux.
Yeah.
How does that work?
Okay.
Is it just built into the programming language like that, or?
No, Java actually runs on, there's what they call the Java virtual machine. We are still going to learn it. I'm still going to talk about it later on in this class. Okay, so the Java virtual machine actually is what integrates the different platforms, right? So that whatever program that is written in Windows with the Java virtual machine, which eventually you are going to be downloading one of it in this class, all right? So if you are using Windows, if you are using Linux, if you are using Mac, so the Java virtual machine has its own software for these platforms. Is that right? So once installed, you can now write your Java programs, and your Java program is actually saved in .java. Now, the thing is that you can now edit or run that same program with the help of your Java virtual machine, which actually understands that this is Java, and you don't need to rewrite it for the different platforms. Hope this helps.
Yes, thank you, Sam. I'm trying to join on my laptop.
So, Joy, are you with us?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, do you have any question? Do you have any observation?
Not really, but then I wanted to know if we could you could actually send the slides, like maybe email it to us or something.
No, I can send it. That's not an issue. Okay, so for the activity, you guys can just check it out.
Yeah.
All right, so just a quick one. We are using the free Zoom, and it's limited to 40 minutes. Okay, so we might be going off in the next 5 minutes. Then what you just need to do is to join back. Is all right?